Welcome everyone. Today we are going to start with our warm-up number 1. I want you to take a nice wide position in second position. Take those toes slightly outwards so that we're turning out from the hips. So a nice little turnout. Staying nice and tall with the body, belly button to the spine, shoulders down. We're going to start with a nice big inhale, reaching the arms and bending the knees. So inhale and exhale, push it down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, reaching nice and tall with the arms. Exhale down. One more time. Big inhale. Exhale. Good. From here, rolling the shoulders back. And then we're going to roll them forward. Good. Both shoulders. And then both shoulders forward. Make sure to get those elbows nice and rounding, nice and big. Good, we're gonna bring it into a big circle. And remember, this is our warm up, so we're not going into crazy stretches, just warming up those muscles. Taking those arms back. Still lifting nice and tall in the body. Good. From here, we're going to take the body side to side. Reaching those arms. We're going to reach over, bringing that bottom hand down. Trying to keep the shoulder open. We don't want to be rounded. Keep it open. Good. Other side, reaching. Opening that shoulder. Good, now we're gonna continue the movement, flow it side to side. Last one. Good, from here, taking our body into a triangle pose, so both of those feet forward, reaching the arm nice and tall. We're going into a flat back. Then from there, we're pulling the belly button to the spine to round the spine into a back bend. And again, just nice and gently, we're warming the muscles, warming that spine up. Last one. Good. Reaching it down to the flat back, we're going to go through the center, over to the other side, rotating those feet to triangle pose, and then reaching it up. Keeping that belly button to the spine for balance. Good job. Let's do one more. And take it center. From here, I want you to come all the way down, rolling it up, reaching those arms, and flat back down. Roll through the spine, reach it up, and down. Last one. Good job. From here, bringing the feet a little bit together. We're just going to go into a little spine twist and twist. We can also bring the arms just up. Good. 2 more little twists. Good job. From here, the head, also take the head side to side. We want to keep the shoulders down, body lengthened, and then ear to shoulder. You can go slower if you need to feel that stretch. Good, hands come behind the head. We're gonna round that head into the chest. Good, and then reach it back up. And then one more time, hands behind the head. Roll that head down to the chest. Good, reaching it up. We're moving on to the lower body. So coming back into that triangle pose, we're gonna reach those arms up, lengthening the spine, and we're gonna come down into your lunge. Bringing the knee down, unwrap the toes, and hands to the knee. I want you to think of the hips down to the ground. Good, we're gonna bring the hands down to the ground, push back, flex that front foot. Think of the hips going back. So we almost wanna think of the flat back, lifting the tailbone up. Back to your lunge. And back to that flat back. Extending the leg. You can move it back and forth, again, to get more into the joints. Staying lifted with the chest. Good, you can do as many as you need to. Then we're gonna come back to your lunge. We're gonna tuck that back toe, lift the knee up, and I want you to rotate through the center, coming just into that center. And we're gonna push over to the other side. And coming over to your lunge, knee comes down, hands onto the knee. Repeating everything on the other side. So again, hip, we want to have that hip down to the ground. Hands come down and hips back, keeping that back nice and extended and also long. Long and extended. And again, forward. You also want to make sure that your knee is in line with your ankle. You don't want to go forward. So make sure it's a nice line with the ankle. And then push it back. And we're going to go forward and back. Good, hold it here. Hands can come back. Again, if you need to go back and forward a few more times, feel free to do that. We're gonna take it back to your center. We're gonna do the same thing side to side. So hands can come onto the ground, or if you want, you can reach them forward and take it to the side. Remember to keep that belly button to the spine for balance. Good. From here, we're gonna come down, legs forward. We're gonna think of keeping the back nice and flat. We're gonna walk our body forward, just holding it here. You're trying to get those knees flat into the ground. So try not to relax the kneecaps. We wanna extend them down to the ground. And when we flex, pull those legs up. And again, just round it down. You can go as low as you can. And then flex, pull the feet up. It's okay too if your heels don't come off the ground. But you do want to try to keep pushing the knee down to the ground. And one more time with that flex. Good, and relaxing it down, we want to roll up. From here, taking that leg over, bringing the elbow to the knee, and just a nice spine twist. Staying nice and long with the body. Good, other side, bringing that leg and twist. Good, we're gonna bring that leg over the knee. You can scoot your body forward if you need a little extra room. If you want that more of a stretch, make sure your back is nice and lifted, and you can use your arms to push forward. So we're feeling it in your glutes. And while we're here, you're gonna take the opposite hand and the foot, put the fingers in between the toes. Still stay nice and long with the spine. You're gonna circle the ankle. And I want you to try to relax the muscles in the ankle and just use the hand to move the foot around. And then other side. Good, switching sides, bringing that leg over, again, pulling up nice and tight. So the tighter you are to the knee, the more stretch you'll feel in the glutes. And if you need not as much of a stretch, just move the hands back. So feel whichever way you need, and then fingers go through your toes and then circle that ankle. And then other way. You can do this as long as you need to. Good, and then from here, bringing those feet back, we're gonna scoot forward, press all the way up, roll through the spine. Good, shake out those legs, and then big inhale, reach those arms, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, and one more time, down, reach up, roll those shoulders, and then shake the body. Good job, you guys. So I will meet you at the pole studio.